Is Facebook constantly warning saying keep your account safe? Here's how to make it stop properly. Are you using VPN or logging in from new location? Let me know in the comments below. First, complete security checkup. Go to facebook.com/security. This satisfies most alerts. Remove all login locations. Go to settings, then tap on security and when you are logged in. Add a backup authentication method. Even just adding SMS stops 80% of these warnings. Use the same device for 7 days straight. Facebook stops questioning stable patterns. Still getting alerts? Turn off advanced protection temporarily in security settings. Are the warnings gone? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.